This was the view of Hurricane Florence last week as it was making landfall near Wilmington, North Carolina. This was a Category 1 storm with 90-mile-per-hour sustained winds at that time. We had some 100-plus mile-per-hour winds in Wilmington. And then, of course, the story quickly transitioned from winds to that storm surge and also very heavy rainfall. We've already had reports of fatalities, unfortunately, but just an incredible amount of rain. So that was the view of Florence again late last week as it was making landfall. This is a look at Florence today, which again is a tropical depression over the Appalachians, the mid-Atlantic states, and kind of widely scattered showers with that. This is a view of North Carolina, and just the inundation of water was incredible. The National Guard, of course, being dispersed and helping out with the rescue efforts. But just take a look at some of these impressive rainfall tallies in North Carolina alone. Swansboro, so far the heaviest rainfall that we could find, 33.89 inches. Morehead City, the weather forecast office there at 25 inches, and then Wilmington at 26.23. So as you can imagine, a lot of flash flooding out there. Some cities are basically cut off. Latest report showing again that a lot of the rivers are going to be cresting over the next several days and just massive flooding within these areas. An additional, again, ½ to maybe 1 inch plus rainfall tallies within these areas. And then the area of low pressure associated with Florence is going to be lifting to the northeast, dragging the heaviest rain up into the northeast. So we do have anywhere from, say, 1 to maybe 3 or 4 inch rainfall tallies that can't be ruled out. So flash flood watches have been posted within those areas, which does include Boston. Could even have some isolated strong storms within those areas, but the good news is that the Atlantic Basin is much quieter now. We'll have to watch that wave south of Cuba as that drifts to the north and west, but definitely cooler now as you head farther northwest.